how to buy Cryptids Monsta Mesh token. So this token came under the symbol of Mesh. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is in the pre-sale right now. To be able to buy this token, click on their official website. So after you click on their official website on their REFERRAL account, you will be able to relax to this page. So how to buy this token, as you can see, if you click on how to buy, you will be able to see this. So they accept the BTC and Ethereum and USDT, ERC20 and the Solana, and as you can see here, so wallet check. So make sure you have enough funds, of course, to buy this token. And the trust process, click buy tokens now, and you will be securely redirected to our payments partner. So if you click on buy now, make sure to create an account first to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, the payments screen detail, you will see the wallet address and QR code for the currency you choose. Copy the wallet address to your clipboard and scan the QR code from your Payin wallet. Pro tip: take a screenshot for backup just in case. Send funds from your payment wallets. Paste the wallet address from your clipboard or scan the QR code, double check the details and hit send. Now after that the clock is ticking, you have got 20 minutes to complete your transaction. Once you start, crypto waits for no one. So after that, stay in the loop. So enter your email address during the payment process to get real-time updates on your transaction status. And after that, and the last, speed it up using Ethereum or USDT ERC20. Tools like Monsta or MetaMask or Wallet Connect will make the process a breeze. So if you run into any snags or have more questions, just drop us a message on this support email. So this is how to buy the Mesh token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.